Good morning. This is Shraddha from Team 2 J Division. Name of our project is seed sowing machine. Problem definition. Design a fully automatic seed sowing machine which must be user friendly and controlled by smartphones. The capacity of holding the seeds should be 500 grams in weight. It must perform some functions like sowing seeds to desired depth, cover the seeds after sowing, indicating when seed gets emptied. Considering some constraints like it must be done within 3 months, it must work continuously for at least 3 hours. Also taking into consideration that the weight of machine should not exceed 4 kg. It must be economical, that is, it must be built within a budget of 5000 rupees. Function tree. This is the function tree of seed sowing machine. And the next one is functional clustering. The subsystem identified are mobility, sowing, and storing. We generated some unique concept to implement our project. The first concept where our seeds are sown in single row, and second concept where seeds can be sown in multiple rows. In the third concept we have included sliding mechanism, and in the last concept where seeds are sown using a particular mechanism where elevator is used. Image of the selected concept among these generated concepts. Here a rotating disc is present which is placed horizontally, and for mobility wheels are used. Hooper to store the seeds, and plow to dug the soil, seed coverer to cover the seeds. Virtual implementation. This is a 3D model of our entire system. It contains many parts like plow, wheels, seed coverer, rotating disc, seed container, and the base plate. Plow is connected through connectors to the base plate. Rotating disc rotates at a particular speed, confirming that there is seed spacing. It is rotated through servo motor. Seed container, which contains seeds. IR sensors are present to indicate when the seed level is below 1 centimeter. Wheels, which help in mobility of the entire system. Seed coverer, it covers the seed dug by the plow. It ensures that a thin layer of soil is covered on the seed so that the seeds are not blown away by the wind. Connectors are present for plow and seed coverer, which makes them strongly connect to the base plate. There is a small strip at the bottom of seed container. It closes the hole present in the container because once the process is completed, the seed must be stopped. Circuit diagram of entire system. This is the circuit diagram of entire system where there are two DC motors for the mobility, one IR sensor for obstacle detection and the other IR sensor for the seed level detection, and a servo motor to rotate the rotating disc, and there is a battery which is used for the motion. This is the flow chart of our entire system. Once the process starts, DC motor gets on and IR sensor starts its detection. One IR sensor for obstacle If there is an obstacle, then it turns right, delays, again turns and delays for 3 seconds and again checks for the obstacle. If there is no obstacle, then it moves straight. If there is obstacle, then again the process continues. On the other hand, where the second IR sensor is used for seed level detection, it detects the seed level present in seed container. If the level is below 1 centimeter, then LED starts blinking and buzzer gets on. The other side, where servo motor gets on and the sewing disc rotates at a particular speed continuously. Bill of material required for entire system. These are some of the materials which are required to complete our project, such as connectors, wheels, seed container, seed plow, base plate, IR sensors, buzzers, batteries, and DC motor and servo motor, LEDs, nuts and bolts, and finally Arduino, which is very important. Motor sizing and battery sizing. After completing motor sizing, we got to know that we require two DC motors of 30 rpm and a servo motor which operating speed is 0.15 seconds per 60 degrees at 4.8 volt. And in battery sizing, there are three motors of ampere hour through 2.7. Functional specifications. These are some functions along with the specifications of our project. Modeling and simulation. This shows how our project practically works. The rotating disc rotates through servo motor at the desired speed. Two sensors are present, one to sense the obstacle and the other to sense seed level in the container. DC motors continuously run, which are powered by a strong battery, so that it must work for at least 3 hours. Thank you.